Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Neo Moon or Neo, and today I wanted to share a quick video with y'all. Someone in a Facebook group that I'm in asked how I do my card backings for my pins. She wanted to create her own as well, and she didn't really know where to get started. And I always love sharing information. I love to see other artists succeed. So I was like, yeah, totally. And I typed out, everything that I could think of to tell her. But then I thought to myself, I need to make a video. I need to share this in case there's other people who want to do this as well and they don't know where to start. So I just wanted to share my experience really quick. So I have a lot of different stuff spread out here. The single pin designs and even some of my smaller earring designs here, they are your, my hair, I like it. So my single pin designs and some of the other ones, they are the 2.5 by 3.5. They are your standard business card size. I feel like this is a pretty good size. This pin I think is like an 1.5 inches. I think this is like an 1.5 inches. And I feel like this is a good space. You can put, information at the top, information at the bottom. I always try to keep my designs the same. I try to put the name of the pen at the top. If I'm trying to create a series, some of them have different series names. And then my website at the bottom. I think that's really important to put something at the bottom. I think your website is probably the best. I like to direct people back there because it actually has links to everything. Everything is there. You can find, my YouTube there, my Etsy shop, my portfolio is there with, original art, fan art, commissions. You can see like everything that I've done. I have a convention page on there, which is new because I just started doing conventions last year, and then COVID happened, and yeah, conventions kind of stopped. Well, not kind of, they stopped. I'm so sad. I hope they come back. I've said it a billion times, but hopefully they will. So 2.5 by 3.5 on the size. Make sure to have, space for the information at the top and the bottom. And for my pen sets, it took me a minute to sort of figure this out. All I did was I took a blank piece of paper, I took my pens and just like set them down, and then took a pencil and a ruler and just made a box around it and kind of fiddled with it for a moment until I got the right size that I needed. These are 3 inches by 3 inches, and I think they look really good. Again, enough space for the name at the top, my website at the bottom, and I think moving forward, I'm gonna go with my new design. Oh my god, my hair! I'm gonna go with my new design that I did for this. This one was the test card, and I'm missing my website at the bottom, but this sort of thicker text right there shows up really well, and then this one at the bottom, I just made sure to make it bigger. I use this text for a lot of things. You can see the Neo Moon art down there. That's this kind of text. I forgot the name of it. It starts with a D, but I think I'm gonna go with that from now on because it just shows up better. But yeah, so 2.5 by 3.5, 3 by 3, and then these got a little more complicated. And I mean, I don't know if you're making jewelry or not, but these are a little bit bigger. This one's a little bit wider than this one. This one's a little bit taller, just because of how the designs on the charms came out. These are like 4 by 4 and 4 by something. I can't remember the exact sizes, but these bags that I have, they're a little bit wider, but they basically fit them. So now I know Now I know my sizes, and I think that's a big thing. Just get your sizes down of what you want them to be, and then you know to stay like within those limits. And then you don't have to buy 50 million different cello bag sizes. I know I need 3 different sizes, and I can make it work. After I get the sizes down, I create all the backings in Photoshop, and then I will print them out, and I use a paper trimmer. I have a paper trimmer that I got off of Amazon. He's a big boy. He's a big wooden, very like heavy duty paper trimmer. I'm so happy that I bought it. I use it to cut my art prints that I get, and these as well. But I know that I can fit 9. Wait, no, this is 12. I cannot add, apparently. I know that I can fit 12 of these little guys on one sheet of paper, and this is just it's a heavy cardstock matte. I'm still experimenting with the paper sizes. I think this is like 100 pounds, I think. It's not the heaviest, but you hear that? It's got a little weight to it, so I think it's a good size for right now. But yeah, so I just print those off, cut them out, then we're good to go. Good to go. And oh yeah, I was gonna say, sorry, I have like the last video I did, I kind of typed out some notes to help me remember like what I wanted to talk about in the order, and this time I'm like all over the place, so I apologize. But I was gonna suggest, if you're just starting out and you don't want to torture yourself like I do in my wallet with all of these different designs, go to Vistaprint. Vistaprint is awesome. They made these business cards for me. I use them for other products as well. But go to Vistaprint, design a card backing for, you know, whatever you're trying to make. If you're doing the earrings, the pins, a lot of people create enamel pins. Enamel pins are really popular in artist shops and artist alleys and stuff like that at conventions. But go create you a business card size backing card, and you can just put something like pins by, you know, in your name, your shop name, you know, your brand, your logo, whatever. Pins by whoever, jewelry by whoever, whatever you want to create. Make sure, like I said, put whatever you're wanting to push at the bottom. If, you know, you just do YouTube, or, you know, you don't have a website, you know, whatever you want to push, make sure your name somewhere you can send them on here somewhere, anywhere. And then just use that. You can get a huge box. I got this huge box. I don't even know like how many's in here. There's like 500 or something. I don't know. But I got this huge box for like $10. They have deals. They have really good deals all the time. I would suggest going there and just, you know, making a generic one, like I said, and getting a huge box like that. But yeah, I think that's it. Like I said, I didn't really plan this out the way that I planned out the last one. I think the last video I was well versed. Instead of this one was more on a whim. I just gathered all this stuff and was like, yeah, let's go. But yeah, I hope this helped. If y'all have any extra questions, please ask. I really don't mind. Like I said, I love sharing information, and if you know a better way, a cheaper way, a more efficient way, you know, a different way of doing this, let me know in the comments, because you may tell me something that blows my mind, you know, and I'm like, oh my god, why didn't I think of this? I need to do it this way from now on. But this just came with experimentation. I'm always like trying to find new ways to do stuff. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, help my tiny channel grow and my tiny dreams grow. No, I have big dreams. But yes, please help me grow. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, questions, all that stuff, leave it down below. And I will see y'all next video. I have another time-lapse art video coming out from the piece that I worked on tonight. I recorded it. I got to do a voiceover. And as always, there will be a real-time video of it on Patreon. I just launched a Patreon. Please check it out as well. I'll have links to everything below. And the support already from you guys have been amazing. I've got some of the kindest, sweetest, most uplifting comments from y'all ever, and I really appreciate it. I really do. It really helps me. You have no idea, and it helps project me forward. So I'm really happy. Thank you so much, and I will see y'all